When it comes to construction project scheduling, two of the most popular software solutions are Fieldwire and CoConstruct. But which one really stands out? In this video, we'll be diving deep into Fieldwire versus CoConstruct to help you decide which is better for your next project. Stick around until the end because I'll share my personal recommendation for an even better alternative that could save you time and headaches. Let's start by looking at Fieldwire. The first thing you'll notice is how streamlined and focused the software is. It's designed specifically for field management, and that includes scheduling. It's great for on-the-ground project coordination. It offers an intuitive task management system that lets your team view project progress, assign tasks, and set deadlines all in one place. The mobile app is especially handy for field workers, giving them real-time updates and notifications, which is essential for keeping a project on track. But Fieldwire's focus is mainly on task management and coordination, which means you might have to use other tools if you're looking for advanced project scheduling features like Gantt charts or detailed timeline views. Next thing to consider is CoConstruct. CoConstruct offers a more comprehensive solution that includes project scheduling, but it's heavily tailored to custom builders and remodelers. One of its biggest strengths is how it integrates with financial tracking and client communication. The scheduling features, such as task management, calendar views, and automatic notifications, are strong but geared more toward managing the full project lifecycle rather than just scheduling. The interface can be a bit more complex than Fieldwire's, and that can be overwhelming for smaller teams or those who just need a straightforward scheduling tool. It's also worth mentioning that CoConstruct's pricing is on the higher end, which could be a downside for some teams. Moving on, another key factor is integration. Fieldwire integrates well with a variety of third-party tools, which can be a big plus if you're already using other software in your workflow. You can integrate it with Google Drive, Dropbox, and more, keeping all your data in sync across platforms. CoConstruct, however, has a limited selection of integrations compared to Fieldwire. This means if you're using a lot of other software in your construction business, Fieldwire might give you more flexibility and ease of use. The fourth thing to mention is reporting. Both Fieldwire and CoConstruct offer reporting tools, but there's a noticeable difference in how they approach it. Fieldwire's reporting is more task-focused. It gives you insights into how tasks are progressing, but it's not as advanced in tracking overall project performance or cost. CoConstruct, on the other hand, offers more detailed reporting, especially in terms of budget tracking and client management. So, if you need detailed financials alongside your schedule, CoConstruct has the upper hand. Now, let's talk about customer support. Fieldwire offers great customer support, but it's more focused on technical assistance. If you need help setting up complex schedules or handling bigger projects, you might find the support a bit limited compared to CoConstruct. CoConstruct, on the other hand, has more personalized customer support, which is a huge plus if you need ongoing advice, especially if you're new to the software. So, both software solutions have their pros and cons, and ultimately it comes down to your specific needs. Fieldwire is ideal if you're looking for a more straightforward, field-focused tool with great task management features. CoConstruct is better if you need a more comprehensive solution that integrates scheduling with other aspects of your project, like budgeting and client communication. But after testing both of these tools myself, I have to say, there's a better alternative out there. If you want a tool that excels in project scheduling, keeps things simple, and has all the features you need in one place, then check out the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, it's worth checking out.